Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner, hosted by Nude Computer Guys. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your email using Outlook. So Outlook is an email application provided by Microsoft for free. For those of you that are familiar with Mail, this is basically the new alternative to Mail, because Microsoft got rid of Windows Mail in, I believe, when they switched over to Windows 10. So the cool thing is you can get Outlook for free. There's no subscription, there's no cost. It's just provided within Windows. So the other benefit of Outlook is it allows you to consolidate all your emails into one application. So what this means is, let's imagine you have Gmail, you have Comcast, you might have a Yahoo and an AOL email. Well, you're going to have to go to each of those sites and sign in, and you might have 4 tabs open just for your email applications. And you might not even get notified when a new email comes in. You're going to have to manually go in and check each of those. Now imagine consolidating those 4 tabs into one program where you can easily at a glance see all of those emails and quickly see whether or not you have new emails, and being able to respond to those emails right within the Outlook application. So this is a really great tool, especially for those people that have multiple email accounts to use, so you can consolidate all your emails into one app. So let's go ahead and dive in. So if you don't already have Outlook installed, you can go ahead and install it through the Microsoft Store. So what we can do is go to Start, and we're going to go ahead and type in Store, and then you will see Microsoft Store. And in the search box at the top, what you're going to want to do is type in Outlook. You go ahead and hit Enter. And then you should see Outlook for Windows appear. You might see an option that says Install, or Get, or Open, or Free. So once you click on it, you'll see an option where you can actually click Install. And then once it's installed, you can either, one, open it through the Microsoft Store, or the other option is you can go to Start and just look for Outlook and go ahead and launch it. Now let's say you don't want to have to every single time go to Start and type in Outlook. You just want to be able to quickly access it, but you also maybe don't want to have it take up desktop space. So what you can do is you can actually pin the application to your taskbar. So in order to do that, what you're going to want to do is, once it's open, you're going to right click on it, and then you're going to have the option that says Pin to Taskbar. Right now I have unpinned because I already have it pinned. But you should see Pin to Taskbar if you don't already have it pinned to your taskbar. So that's one way you can. Now all you have to do is go down to your taskbar, click on Outlook, and it will go ahead and open. So you should be brought to a window like this if you have no emails already set up in Outlook. And for those of you that might already have emails set up but want to add additional ones, I will show you how to do that as well once we set up the first email account. So let's do this. So you're going to go ahead and type in your email address, and if you have a Gmail, if you have AOL, if you have Yahoo, if you have Outlook.com, Live.com, MSN.com, Hotmail.com, iCloud, the really nice feature is it's going to automatically detect all those email settings that you might have had to manually type in the past, the imtp.gmail.com or pop.yahoo.com. So this is really great, so you don't have to look that up. Now, if you have emails like something like from Earthlink, or maybe even like Verizon.net or something like that, you might still have to look that information up on the web and get that information, because most likely it's not going to automatically find that information out. But since my account is a Gmail account, I'm going to go ahead and click on Gmail. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. So it's going to take me to another site where it's going to ask you to go ahead and type in your email address and your password. Now, if you already have it stored, all you have to do is pretty much just click on your email account and go ahead and hit Continue. For those that had to type in their email account and password, you'll get that Continue box once you type that in. Then we're going to go ahead and hit Continue. Pretty much just go through the prompts. You'll get this option that says Open Outlook New. give it a second here. Now, if your Outlook potentially might not look like this. If you don't see Outlook in parentheses new and you just see Outlook, you might be on kind of like the more older version of Outlook. So in order to set up your emails, you might have to go through File and Accounts and Settings to do that. But I can also show you another way to set up your email. If for some odd reason, let's say you have the older version of Outlook, you can do it through Control Panel. So I'll show that as well. All right, so we're going to go ahead and accept the privacy terms. Getting better together, I would just go ahead and opt out of that. And now it should go ahead and open up in just a few seconds to my emails. And there we go. There are all my emails populated. So I'm not interested. Now, let's say you want to add another email account. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is go to Settings, the gear wheel in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll see an option that says Add an Account. So go ahead and click on that. And then you'll pretty much go through the exact same process you did for adding your first email account. Might be a little bit different if it's again, one of those rare email accounts that are like Earthlink or Verizon.net. Now, for those of you that have the old version of Outlook, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up your email using Control Panel. So what you can do is go ahead and click Start and type in Control Panel. And now, if you're brought to this window, what I usually like to do is I like to change it out of categories to either large icons or smaller icons. Doesn't really matter which version. I just find it a lot easier to find the things I want to look for versus having to remember what category that specific item is in. And then you should see an option that says Internet. Oh, they don't have it for Outlook New. Well, if you are in the old version of Outlook, you'll see an option that says Mail, and from there you can actually click on that and add an email account from there. So hopefully you found this video to be informative. If you did like it, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you want to receive further content, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And then click that little bell icon to get notifications when new videos are posted. Thank you for those that have subscribed to my channel. And if you have other people you feel like that could benefit from this, feel free to share this channel with them. And look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.